Kick-ass facts, science is cool. Pew, 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 pew! In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured an image of a black hole in the middle of the M87 galaxy. Scientists have a way of identifying how the universe began thanks to this image, which appears to show a dazzling ring of light around a vast expanse of darkness. I've been called that. In 2017, an 820-foot-long, 143-ton solid blockage was found in the sewers beneath London. It was your mom. It comprised cooking grease, diapers, sanitary towels, and other things that had made their way into the toilets of the city. After chipping it into blocks, scientists realized that if the oils and fats were separated from the other waste, they could be converted into a relatively clean type of fuel called biodiesel. They concluded there was enough biodiesel locked within it to run 350 London buses for a day. In 1994, researchers found that women who take birth control pills blink more often than women who don't. Quite a lot more, actually. On average, the study found women on birth control pills blink about 32% more than women not using this type of contraception. It is worth noting that birth control pills affect more than 150 of the body's biological functions. Other studies have found a link between the use of birth control pills and eye health. For instance, a 2013 study revealed that women who have used birth control for 3 years or more could be twice as likely to develop glaucoma compared with women who have not used the pill. In 2008, the fossils of a new hominin species were discovered in Africa and the Philippines. Australopithecus sediba, a hominin species that lived nearly 2 million years ago in present-day South Africa. The first fossil found of the species was a right clavicle, and then more fossils from the individual who was a young boy were found, including a well-preserved skull. The species represents a transitory phase between the genus Australopithecus and the genus Homo, with some traits of the older primate group, but a style of walking that resembled modern humans. Also discovered in South Africa, Homo naledi lived much more recently, some 335,000 to 236,000 years ago, meaning it may have overlapped with our own species, Homo sapiens. The species, first discovered in the Rising Star cave system in 2013, also had a mix of primitive and modern features, such as a small brain case, about 1/3 the size of Homo sapiens, and a large body for the time, weighing approximately 100 pounds and standing 5 feet tall. The smaller Homo luzonensis, 3 or 4 feet tall, lived in the Philippines some 50,000 to 67,000 years ago, overlapping with several species of hominin. The first Homo luzonensis fossils were originally identified as Homo sapiens, but a 2019 analysis determined that the bones belonged to an entirely unknown species. These 3 major finds suggest that bones of more species of ancient human relatives are likely hidden in the caves and sediment deposits of the world, waiting to be discovered.